Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. The question is under root 9 minus x square plus under root 25 minus x square is equal to 2. We have to find the value of x. The solution is under root 9 minus x square plus 25 minus x square is equal to 2. Now in first step we will bring under root 25 minus x square on the right hand side. Then under root 9 minus x square is equal to 2 minus under root 25 minus x square. Now taking square on both sides, then under root 9 minus x square whole square is equal to 2 minus under root 25 minus x square whole square. Here we will use the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here square and square root are cancelled. 9 minus x square is equal to 2 square 4 minus 2 into first element, 2 into second element, 25 minus x square plus b square, 25 minus x square whole square. These squares are cancelled. Then nine minus x square is equal to 4 minus 2 to the 4 under root 25 minus x square plus 25 minus x square. Now we will rearrange these terms. 9 minus x square plus 25 is changed into minus 25, minus x square is changed into plus x square. This 4 is changed into minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 under root 25 minus x square. Now these two terms are cancelled. Here minus 20 is equal to minus 4 now minus 4 under root 25 minus x square. Now 20 minus 20 over minus 4 is equal to under root 25 minus x square. Minus minus cancelled, and here here 5 is equal to under root 25 minus x square. Again squaring. Again squaring. 5 square is equal to under root 25 minus x square whole square. (25) is equal to, the square and square root are cancelled. 25 minus x square. 25 minus 25 is equal to minus x square. These two terms are cancelled. Minus x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Taking square root, x is equal to 0. For verification, under root 9 minus 0 plus under root 25 minus 0 is equal to 2. 9 under root 9 plus under root 25 is equal to 2. 3 plus 5 8 is not equal to 2. Question is not verified.